In this video, I will share with you the 7 apps that you absolutely need to use as a personal trainer to save you a ton of time and skyrocket your personal training business. Today, as a personal trainer, you have the chance to have many apps available to make your life easier, and yet you don't use them that much, and that's too bad. There are so many apps that you can use, but we chose for you the 7 of them that will really help you every day to be more productive, save a lot of time, and make more money with your training business. Let's dive in. Vid. All social media platforms are going all in with video. Look at YouTube, Instagram with Reels, and lastly, TikTok. And soon Twitter, with Elon wanting to push hard on that type of format too. These big platforms are betting on this type of content because that's the type of content that people want today. People consume more and more videos. As a personal trainer, you must produce content and you must also go all in on videos. Today, your focus will be on getting as much attention as possible. And today, you can get a lot of attention with video. If you want to reach as many people as possible on those platforms, you need to have an edit that's on point. For that, you have 2 choices. Pay an editor to edit your videos, learn how to use the biggest tool on the market named Adobe Premiere, or you can simply use an easy tool like Vid. It's easy to use and you can adapt the video to every platform to make sure it reaches a lot of people. It will only cost you $18 per month. Canva. The second app that you can use is Canva. Canva is for the design, what Vid is for the video. On Instagram, you can sometimes see some incredible designs used for carousels and infographics by a few trainers. What application do you think these designs are made on? Yep, you've guessed it. These incredible designs are, for 90% of them, designed on Canva. Again, you will have 3 choices for your designs. You can pay a designer to design your carousel and infographics. You can learn how to use Photoshop, or you can use Canva. Like Vid, it's really easy to use and you will create your first design in just a few minutes. Canva will cost you nothing to $15 per month. It depends on the type of design that you want. Gymkee. The next app that you can use is an app to build your programs and manage your clients. For that, you can say bye-bye to spreadsheets and PDFs. Today, you can't deliver a good coaching experience using spreadsheets and PDFs. People are used to using an app for everything. If you want to deliver the best coaching experience possible to your clients while saving you a ton of time and growing your business, you have to use Gymkee. You will be able to add your own video exercises, build your fitness programs, build the meal plans of your clients, create recipes, send assessments, and track your clients' progress. All this in the same app. We've worked a lot to make it as easy as possible to use for you and your clients. You can join thousands of trainers worldwide and trade for free for 14 days. The link is in the description below. Oh, and the 3 first trainers will get 50% off their first subscription thanks to this code. Typeform. The next tool that you should use is Typeform. I really love Typeform, and at Gymkee, we use it for everything. We use it to ask you feedbacks on the app. We use it to see if everything is okay every month about customer support. We use it to onboard new employees and more. The thing is that I still see many trainers use forms like Google Forms. Don't get me wrong, I love the tools proposed by Google, but not Google Forms. The forms look like shit. Sorry. With Typeform, you can build beautiful button forms, but that's not why I love Typeform. The design of the forms are amazing, but the power of Typeform is on its system. Look at this form. 1 question at a time, simple and friendly to use. It really makes a difference, and I'm convinced that you will increase your form completion rate by using Typeform. Just be careful about how you build your forms. 1 question at a time, and try not to ask people to write. Use a lot of multiple choices type of question and start with them. Let the question that needs to be texted at the end. We will soon publish a video about how you can build amazing forms in the next few weeks. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe to the YouTube channel Gymkee. Typeform will cost you around $20 per month, and you have a free plan to try it out. Notion. For this one, you will not see many people on YouTube share it with you. I don't know why, maybe because they think that you don't need a tool like this as a personal trainer, and they are wrong. Notion is one of my favorite tools, and as a personal trainer, it can really help you be more productive and save a lot of time. You can use it for 2 main things. Writing content, you can build your content board with all the content that you want to publish on your social media platforms, and this way you can watch all your content and publication date for every social media platform. You can also use it to onboard new clients. If you have some docs they must complete or send you, they can do it using Notion. You have way more things to do with Notion, and if you want a full video about how to use it, feel free to say it through the comment section below. Notion, for your personal use, it will cost you nothing. If you want to use it at full capacity for what you need as a personal trainer, it will cost you $5 per month. Tout de suite. Earlier in this video, I shared with you 3 tools to create and manage your content as a personal trainer. One tool that you should choose is the social media planning tools for your accounts. As a personal trainer, you need to be organized if you want to succeed. Managing your clients and working on your social media is time consuming. Sometimes, if you are not organized, you will not publish anything because you don't feel it or simply because you have nothing to share. One of the best things that you can do is plan your publication using a tool like Outshoot. It's the tool that we use at Gymkee to publish on multiple social media platforms, and this way you can plan the content for the next week and be sure to have everything published even if you don't feel like publishing something. Outshoot costs $49 per month, but you can use alternative like the Creator Studio of Facebook if you want to publish only on Insta, or you can use Buffer. G-Suite. The next app that you need is an app to manage your emails. I still see many trainers using their personal email address to answer and manage their clients. You can't do that. Imagine if you reach out to Amazon for a question or because you need some support. Do you see yourself sending an email to Amazon support at gmail.com? No, that's the same for your clients. It's a small detail, but the differences are in details. If tomorrow a client has to choose between 2 trainers, one has a professional email address and the other doesn't, guess who he will choose? And besides looking more pro, it will help you better manage your clients and help you stop working when you want to. It will cost you only $6 per month. In the next video, I will show you how to easily buy a domain name and set up your professional email address. Google Calendar. The last tool is free, but is still so underrated. So many personal trainers don't use an agenda, and that's a shame. That's a shame because it really means that they don't own their time. Like I said many times in this video, as a personal trainer, you need to be more organized as possible to succeed. If you want to be organized, you need to own your time. For that, you need to use an agenda. The agenda is the most impactful tool that you can use. It will help you take back control of your days, your weeks, your months, your years, and finally, it will help you take back control of your life. To be able to take back control of your life using an agenda correctly, you need to set up the right blocks on it. To do that, you can watch this video.